Some say the body replaces all its cells every 7 years. So if you're 30, you have effectively been 4 different people. So that brings me to LoadRunner. At more than 25 years old, many think it passed it and therefore are looking to replace it. However, like the body, LoadRunner is constantly evolving. But hold that thought. So before you chuck it out, here are 6 things you should consider. Number 1, what is your investment? How much have you got invested in scripts, tests, and people? Consider your investment in LoadRunner and how long it will take to get to the same point with a new tool. So what will it cost and how long will that take? 2, what about the network? Today, everything is networked. However, do you know how your applications will perform under different network conditions? Have a look at network virtualization, which is available as an add-on to LoadRunner. And if you're serious about understanding how your applications perform under different network conditions, this is the tool to use. 3, LoadRunner is not current. Maybe LoadRunner doesn't do something that's important to you. If so, have you checked to see that you're on the latest release? If you're not sure, check out the LoadRunner Help Center. There'll be a link to it in the text below. LoadRunner continues to support the widest range of technologies, so your must-haves may be the latest can-dos. But if you're out of support, there are still options for you. Contact me and I'll let you know what they are. 4, the cost. LoadRunner has a reputation for being eye-wateringly expensive. However, that was more than 5 years ago. Prices have been cut and there are other options that make testing with LoadRunner within everybody's reach. 5, global testing. Maybe you've outgrown LoadRunner as you're now testing from offshore centers and LoadRunner is not a global tool. Then have a look at LoadRunner Enterprise, which was previously called Performance Center. Think of it as LoadRunner's big brother, built for performance testing and engineering, working at scale on different projects that need to be tested at the same time, either locally or globally. And 6, you don't need all the bells and whistles of LoadRunner. Maybe a simpler and cheaper tool will do. After all, we all want a simpler life, but hold that thought. 25 isn't old, it's in your prime. However, in software terms, maybe it's a little bit old, but it also means it's mature and feature-rich. Compared to other software you may be using, it's a youngster. For instance, Oracle is more than 40 years old, Windows more than 30, Linux nearly 30, and the World Wide Web is also approaching 30. The thing that all of these have in common is that they're constantly evolving and being enhanced to make sure they're relevant for the modern world. And LoadRunner is no different. It is regularly updated and is still the tool that others try to beat. However, if you've made up your mind that LoadRunner is no longer the tool for you, then who am I to stop you? Have a look at StormRunner Load. Simple to use, smart analytics, and scalable from 100 to 5 million virtual users. Worth the investment of 4 minutes of your time to see this software review video, which you'll find the link to in the text below. If you want to know more about any of the points in this video, then give me a call or fill out the contact form.